Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into those rookie errors that every beginner and even some seasoned drivers make on the road. We've all been there, right? That first time behind the wheel, the freedom, the open road. But hold your horses because today's all about becoming a safer, more aware driver. So, buckle up, put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and get ready to transform from a Sunday driver into a veritable Ayrton Senna of the asphalt. Stay tuned to become a safer driver. Alright, speed demons, let's talk about the gas pedal. Or more importantly, when not to stomp on it like you're trying to win the Monaco Grand Prix. Those numbers on those signs? Yeah, those are called speed limits. And guess what? They're not just friendly suggestions. Think of speed limits like the rules of a really, really important game. A game where the stakes are, not crashing into things and potentially becoming a human projectile. Not exactly the kind of high-speed thrill ride we're going for, right? So, let's break it down, shall we? Speed limits exist for a reason. They're carefully calculated based on road conditions, traffic flow, and the general safety of everyone on the road. Driving too fast, my friends, is like trying to juggle chainsaws while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. It's just asking for trouble. You see, when you're zipping around like a caffeinated hummingbird, your reaction time takes a nosedive. That means less time to react to hazards, avoid obstacles, and generally keep your car out of the shop, and more importantly, yourself and others safe. Remember folks, driving is a privilege, not a right. And with great privilege comes great responsibility or something like that. So the next time you're tempted to put the pedal to the metal, channel your inner Zen master. Take a deep breath, ease off the gas, and remember, arriving safely is far cooler than arriving in a crumpled heap of metal. Now let's talk about those pesky things called road conditions. Because here's the deal, the speed limit is like a starting point. It's a general guideline, but you, my friend, are the captain of this ship. You need to adjust your speed based on what's happening outside your windshield. Rain, for instance. It's like nature's way of turning the road into a slip and slide. Hydroplaning is no joke, people. It's when your tires lose contact with the road and you're basically surfing on a thin layer of water. Not exactly conducive to a smooth ride, is it? So when the heavens open up, what do? We slow down, my friends. We give ourselves extra time to react, extra distance to brake, and we resist the urge to pretend we're in a high-octane action movie car chase. And hey, while we're on the subject of things that make driving a tad more exciting, let's chat about fog, shall we? Fog is like Mother Nature's way of saying, hey, you know that clear view of the road you're used to? Yeah, about that. Driving in fog is like navigating a maze blindfolded. It's disorienting, it's dangerous, and it requires a healthy dose of caution. So, when the fog rolls in, we slow down, we use our low beams. High beams just reflect the fog back at you, which is about as helpful as a chocolate teapot. And we channel our inner cautious turtle. Slow and steady wins the race, especially when visibility is about as clear as mud. Snow and ice? Well, that's a whole different ballgame, isn't it? It's like driving on a skating rink, only with less grace and more potential for disaster. When the white stuff falls, we treat our vehicles like delicate snowflakes. We brake gently, we accelerate slowly, and we avoid any sudden movements that might send us spinning like a top. And if you absolutely positively have to venture out in a blizzard, well then, my friend, we're talking about winter driving survival skills. We're talking about packing an emergency kit with blankets, snacks, and maybe even a good book to pass the time if you get stranded. Because let's face it, when it comes to winter weather, Mother Nature always has the final say. So, there you have it, speed demons. The lowdown on when to pump the brakes and take it easy on the gas. Well, there you have it, folks. We've covered some seriously important ground today, and I hope you've learned a thing or two about staying safe on the road. Remember, driving is a privilege, and with great privilege comes great responsibility. Thanks, Uncle Ben. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends, family, even your driving instructor. Let's spread the word about safe driving, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more driving tips and tricks. Until next time, drive safe, be aware, and remember, the only speeding you should be doing is toward a brighter, safer future behind the wheel. Cheers.